Malonzo puts it on the deck. He attacks Quecote. Quecote got a piece of it. Malonzo doesn't give up on it. And one para kay JB.
Kung titignan mo yung lineup dyan ng Barangay Ginebra, it's a big lineup. You're talking about Scotty as your point guard. He's about 6'1". Diba? Tapos tignan mo yung mga iba. 6'5",
Malonzo with a
6'6".
hand on it. Malonzo gets it back from Scotty. Re-reverse pa ni JB. Barangay Ginebra off to a hot start here. Pito agad ang kanilang abante. 13-6. But look who gets it. It is Scotty once again. Hold for three. Punches it through.
Miss ko na yung bank mo.
21-8. Tambakan to. They only had 8 in total versus San Miguel.
Specialist.
Bulanadi gets it back.
Specialist. From the three-point territory.
Nagpaula ng Ginebra dito sa Pasig City.
Go!
Onvo Perez shows his version of a 4. 35-22. Nelly looking at Bulanadi. Navarro on the other side.
Yes.
Northport starting to show some signs of life. And dahil bumaba sa 15 ang abante ng Barangay Ginebra, papapailing ng timeout si Coach Tim. So far right now, 0 for 2 from 3 si William. Make that 1 for 3.
Narinig ka na naman. Alam mo yung player talaga masunurin sa iyo eh.
And he gets himself in double digits now. It is now a 10-0 run.
Oh! Dami na ito. Nakakatatlong 3-point shot na ito.
RJ catching fire off the bench again. Ginebra pushing it. RJ to jump it. Nagawang pa rin ang paraan. It's the Hazel.
Alam mo, ang iniisip dito ng Northport is they can't shoot that well from three-point territory. Oh, another good steal. Goodbye from
Watch out.
three-point territory. Oh, another good steal. Goodbye.
Watch out. Nilagay na lang.
Hindi ko nakikita dumunk ito. You know, he doesn't want to do it. I know he can do it. He just doesn't want to do it. No? There's a cut by Scotty. They could have given the pass right away.
Rosario pushes that lead back up to 22. Alalon, tinawag na naman si Nava. Nanlinlang lang pala. Hit a 4 earlier. Now they go to Gio. Second triple of the game for Alalon. Alalon pumping some life into this para dito kay Alalon. In about 5.5 minutes of action, Aguilar gets the basket at di niya pang foul.
Well, Monson was just a little bit too eager. He got the rebound, but he turned to try to start the fast break.
Dito, numerology tayo. As Navarro goes all the way around. Natalo ng tatlong sunod by 12, 12, and 12.
Ah, ganun?
Oo, puro kalating case at talo.
Oh, 36 points in 3.
Munzon, behind the back again. Oh, ho, ho!
And one. Ang ganda ng teamwork nitong tatlo. Monson, Navarro, Gio Halalon.
William Navarro, Doc, is a man on a mission. This will not be denied, Doc J.
Yeah.
97-80, baba sa 17 ang hinahabol ng Batang Pierre. RJ lights it up!
Kung yan ang kape mo, ang daling asarap pasahan no, dahil +1 ang
Antipolo.
Oh, nice pass. Nag-time out lang si Coach Timbo, nagising lahat ng white shirts eh. Look at that passing.
Pero yung Renren yata 8 straight in a quarter.
Oh.
RJ to the cup. Walang kumarang, Doc.
Yeah. Medyo sumayaw lang ng konti, nahilo yung bumabantay.
Ano ba career high ni RJ? 27 na ngayon eh.
I remember he had a big game kasi humingi siya ng pasa, libre siya. Oh, wow. Sumali pa si Poo. His first points in the ball game. But the thing there is, you know, could have easily passed to Halalon and you want to go to the point guard officials. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh!
21 big ones for Jason David.
Laro mo to